Consider the following linear number pattern. And then it says we have 37, we have 33, we have 29, we have P, we have 21. They say the following is a linear pattern. Keyword, linear. Now, meaning for you to go from one term to the other, you are going to either add the same value or you are going to subtract the same value. Now, let's check. If I go from 37 to 33, what am I doing? Adding or subtracting? What should I subtract? So it's minus 4. No? Minus 4. If I go from here to here, okay, it's minus 4. Minus 4 again. What is P? It's 25. One mark for that. Next. They say determine the end term of this pattern. Now, how do we determine the end term of the pattern? There are many ways in which we can use it. The common one that we say it's 3.1.2 here. We're going to tell them which TN. It's going to be D. It's Dn plus C. It's Dn plus C, where P represents the common difference. Common difference, it's minus 4. N plus C. It's Tn. Now, term number 1, which is 37, it says 37 is going to be minus 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3. Then you have 41. Because we tell this one is positive, it's negative. If it comes this side, it becomes positive. It says 37 plus 4. Therefore, it says Tn is going to be equal to minus 4n plus 41. 1, 2, they'll give you 2 marks here on the formula. How you got it, it doesn't matter. What we're interested in is the answer. Next, determine the 15th term. Determine the 15th term. We are looking for T15. Yes. T15. T15. Okay, what is going to be T15? Where we see n, there's an n here, we're going to put like 15. So we're going to have T15, which is going to be minus 4 multiplied by 15 plus 41. Now, if you say this in your calculator, what do you get? 4 multiplied by? Minus 19. Yes. One substitution, 1 mark for the answer. Yes. They wrote the formula wrong. Yes. Okay, 3.1.4. Which term is going to which term is the first to have a negative value? You know? We once did a question like this one whereby we said, remember, negative value. We want to know which term is going to be. What is the first term to be what to be negative? We say our number line is divided such that we have positive and what and negative. So 0 is dividing positive and what and negative. So I'm going to tell them which way we see Tn instead of Tn here. We're going to put 0, which is going to be minus 4n plus 41. Take this one to this other side. It says 4n is going to be equal to 41. Divide by 4, divide by 4. It says n. What do you get as n here? 11 comma something. What do you get? 11. No, you don't get 11. I know for sure. You can't say 41 divided by 4. You get 10,5. We get 10,1,5. So the first term to be negative is it's term number 11. The first, they're not looking for the term to be, they said which term, they want to know which one is exactly that. So I'm going to tell them T11. Yeah? Yes. And then we come and say we have minus 4 multiplied by 11 plus 41. We want the first one to be negative. So you have minus 44, which is going to give us what? Minus 3. And then this thing here was how many marks? 3, ne? So I'm going to give you a mark for equating this to 0. 1 mark for equating this to 0. 1 mark for substituting on the formula. 1 mark for the first value to be what? To be negative.